Getting Money Right is an interactive, group-based workshop specifically designed for people who want to learn God's Word in the area of finances, learn how to build a budget, and get out of debt. Every year we have people from all over the country that go through the workshop and write testimonies of significant life change as a result of their time in getting money right. Through surveys and experience, we found that the group leader, that's you, is the most important role in the class. More important than the teacher, more important than the content. You will be walking alongside people for 7 weeks, providing encouragement, a safe place for prayer, and accountability that they can't get in almost any other setting of their life. Our goal and your goal should be to help participants grow into a deeper relationship with God by learning and applying biblical principles of financial stewardship. As a group leader, you'll be building a community where participants feel loved and accepted as they implement biblical principles for the first time in their finances. Our highest goal is to establish relationships with people that give us an open door to point people to Jesus. You see, group leaders aren't supposed to become teachers and experts. You don't have to know everything. You don't even have to be perfectly excellent at the content. Your role is more of a guide, helping people develop their own progress, laying that foundation for their financial freedom. You see, the information that we discuss at the group or in the group, it's set to remain private, confidential. It can be sensitive. This is one of those things that you want to make sure you're creating safety as you're ministering to people. Your role is to assist others on their journey through group discussions, basic financial forms, and accountability for the participants by tracking the homework and their attendance. This is really important. We want to make sure that we track everything they're doing all throughout the class, which gives them that healthy level of accountability. I can't wait to share more with you in the next video.